Do you know who those characters are? I'll give you a hint. They live on Sesame Street. This is Cookie Monster. That's Elmo. Abby Kadabi. Big Bird. And Oscar the Grouch. They are so colorful and happy. And look at all those cute Easter shapes. Will you help me create some Play-Doh cookies with them? Great! Let's get started! First, it's Abby Kadabi. Look at her. She's so happy. Do you want to see some magic? Look! Wow! How did Abby do that? Look at this Play-Doh. We need to roll it out. Ooh, we have a roller. It's green like the mat. Let's roll it. Say roll it. Roll it. Looks good. Let's turn it. What mold will we have first? Ooh, this one. It's blue. Let's press it and see what we get. Remember, you have to take away all the extra Play-Doh. What will it be? Drum roll, please. Look! It says Happy Easter, and it has a little bunny. It's pink like Abby Kadabi. So cute. I love it. Now it's Oscar the Grouch. Look at him. I think we should do some magic again. Did you see that? That's the Play-Doh. Wow, look at this one. It's green. It's green like the roller and the background. Wow, everything's green. Let's roll it out. There it goes. Let's see what cookie this one is. This one's yellow. Let's press it down. Take away all the extra Play-Doh. Wow, that's an Easter egg. Look at this cute little Easter egg. This is adorable. Do you like making Easter eggs? Me too. Here comes Elmo. This is Elmo. Let's make the Play-Doh appear. There it is. So while we roll our Play-Doh, can you guess what color this is? It's the same color as Elmo. Yes, it's red. It's the color red. Let's turn it. Okay, and here's our cookie mold. What could it be? Do you have an idea? Oh, look. There's a red butterfly flying in. What does that mean? Do you think this might be a butterfly? Yes, it's a butterfly. It's a red butterfly. Look at it flying around. Butterflies come in many different colors. They are so beautiful. Bye, little butterfly. Look at this beautiful scene. This is where our butterfly flew away to. Can you spot him? Here he is. Look at him flying around with all the other butterflies. Have fun. Oh, look. Now it's Cookie Monster, the one who loves cookies. Let's do some more magic with him. We did it. We made the Play-Doh appear. This Play-Doh is blue. Blue like Cookie Monster. Let's roll it. Sometimes it gets a little stuck, but here we are. And look at this. What could this be? Let's take a look. Well, remember to always press it down and take away any extra Play-Doh so you can get a nice cookie. Oh wait, what happened? There's the Easter Bunny. And now we have a little bunny. He's blue like Cookie Monster. Oh, look at him. He's hopping around. Hop, hop, little bunny. Hop, hop. Okay, we'll see you at Easter. Bye. Oh, wow, look at that cute little bunny by the Easter eggs. The word bunny starts with the letter B. B is for bunny. And now we have our last character. It's Big Bird. Big Bird really loves Easter. Let's make the Play-Doh appear. Here it is. This Play-Doh is yellow, just like Big Bird. Of course we have to roll it out. Make it flat. Roll it out. Roll it out. I wonder what this next pretend cookie's gonna be. Do you know? Let's take out the extra Play-Doh. Look at that. That's a little chick hatching from an egg. That egg is purple, and the chick is yellow. Look at this. Our cookie is also a little baby chick. It's so cute. This is a yellow chick. The word chick starts with the letter C. C is for chick. Wow, we did it! We got all these cute pretend cookies made of Play-Doh. There's the pink, red, green, yellow, and blue. Oh, they are so colorful. But remember, don't eat them. They're just pretend.